Hello, and welcome back to another video about the powers of Congress. Let's get started. Today we want to talk about the non-legislative powers of Congress. So keep in mind that legislative powers of Congress are those powers that deal directly with making laws. The non-legislative powers of Congress deal with things that don't involve laws. Can't give you a much better definition than that. All right, so the non-legislative powers of Congress, they start with choosing a president. Now you say, no, Mrs. Petty, that's not how it works. We choose the president by electing or by choosing electors for the Electoral College. And I say, you're right, students, you're exactly right. However, it's the job of Congress to certify the Electoral College results, which they do in December of presidential election years. All right, moving on to the power to remove a president. We've mentioned this before. Congress can vote to impeach and then remove a president. The House of Representatives votes to impeach a president. The Senate would then vote to remove a president. We've only had 2 presidents be impeached. We've not had any presidents be removed from office, okay? So I want you to think about who they are and answer the question on EdPuzzle. All right, they also have the power to confirm. If you've been paying attention to the news lately, the Senate is currently going through the process of confirming President Trump's cabinet position or cabinet nominees. Okay, so that's an example of how they can confirm members that are appointed by the president. They also have the power to ratify treaties, and again, that's the Senate. These two here, the power to confirm and the power to ratify, specifically the power of the Senate. Okay. They also have the power to start the amendment process. If you can think all the way back to the U.S. Constitution Unit, which was like October, Congress has the authority to start the amending process. Okay, so in order for an amendment to be proposed, it has to be basically proposed by 2/3 of Congress. So 2/3 of both houses of Congress have to get together and say, hey, I think we need this amendment before it can actually be discussed and then ratified by the states. Okay. So Congress does have a whole lot of powers, as you've hopefully seen in these last few videos. If you guys have any questions, let me know.